The Pathfinder Concept and the all-new Qashqai lead Nissan's SUV lineup. Nissan's SUVs have garnered a remarkable reputation in China for their ruggedness, comfort, and family-oriented driving experience. As a trailblazer in the Chinese SUV market, Nissan continues to receive accolades for its award-winning SUVs, while addressing the diverse needs of Chinese consumers through a variety of powertrain options. The Nissan Pathfinder has become a symbol of family-friendly versatility and technological innovation in the four-wheel drive SUV market. The Pathfinder Concept, tailored to the Chinese market, perpetuates this legacy. By blending contemporary Chinese aesthetics with the essence of Nissan, the Pathfinder Concept is crafted to suit the active lifestyles of modern consumers, making it the ideal companion for off-road excursions or city navigation. It boasts a fully redesigned exterior, complemented by an adventure-centric interior, featuring 3 rows of seating to accommodate larger families. The cabin's expansive display screen and heads-up display deliver a wealth of information at a glance. Nissan's electrified, autonomous, and connected vehicles and technologies strive to fulfill the varied requirements of Chinese consumers, showcasing their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.